great strength to have. Can you give an example of a time when your curiosity helped you solve a problem or learn something new in your previous roles?
Yeah, definitely. When I was exploring ChatGPT and other stuff, so I wanted to explore more things. Like even that's not my category. Like I'm not into this stuff, but as I wanted to improve English and all this stuff, so I did some research, and that really helped me to. Yeah. So this is the thing which shows that I'm a very curious person.
Hi,
Hi, Shruti. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. You tell me how you're doing today.
Yeah, doing well, and yeah, I was very excited to come on your this live chat. Yeah.
I'm also very excited to have session with you. Well, Shiv, I know very well about you, but I want you to introduce for my viewers. So,
Yeah, definitely I will use. So my name is Shub, but official name is Sumit, and like I'm pursuing my master's from IIT Jodhpur. I did BTech from computer science. Then after that I worked for 1 year at Accenture, one of the top-notch company from India, as a software engineer. Then I resigned. Then I like given my GATE examination. Then I cleared that GATE. Now here I'm pursuing my master's, and yeah, while improving, I've given so many interviews. So definitely English do help me. So yeah, thank you.
oh, that's great. You have cracked GATE exam. Many students have a dream to clear GATE. That's awesome. Well, okay. My next question is: in how many companies you went for interview? And
So yeah, I applied at the COVID time, so it was like 21, if I can, yeah, 21. So I applied for 5 companies. So that was TCS, Accenture, Infosys, Capgemini, and SCL. So I was shortlisted for 4 of them, and one was not. I was not able to shortlist because of my percent less. There was less percentage in my time, so that's why I was not. Else, like I was able to clear all 4. Yeah, top companies,
okay, so you applied in these
4 companies.
companies.
Yep. So these are called service-based companies, and like the product-based SaaS companies are different. But for us, it was from off-campus means the companies don't. My college was government that time. Like the companies usually don't come to my college, so I used to apply from offline, like from websites and LinkedIn. So yeah. So, yep.
Okay, you applied through some website. Okay. Well, how English help you to crack your interviews?
Yeah, like these companies which I was talking about, like they mainly like the 60%, 20% they focus on your communication skills. The rest is the coding part and your technical things. So definitely it is like we can't say that we can't neglect because in after clearing your this interview round or aptitude round, you will be facing your TR technical round, magical round, and there's one HR round. So 3 rounds you have to clear. So yeah, like without English, I guess you will be getting stuck at that point, like if you can be a good coder, but there will be a small doubt. So yeah, we need to express whatever we know. So yeah, English is important.
50 to 60%, right? Like,
Yep, like I can say more, but yeah, it is. But yeah, keep like because technical things are also important, but weightage should be given because we need to express the things whatever we know. So that's why. Yeah, and it's
so
for any like any interviews. I can say like if like most of the companies have interviews, but if you don't have that communication skills, the person will be like lacking behind somewhere.
yeah. And how about like, do we need confidence when it comes to interview? Like, how confidence matters? Like,
Yep.
when we know the language, but when it comes to confidence, when it comes to interview, people lose the confidence. So how did you gain confidence, like while speaking English, and you have cracked
Yep.
interview? So how did you do
So
it?
this was my advice. Like when I was giving my first interview at Accenture. So one of like from my brother, one he advised me like have a it's like some smile on your face, not that much like high, but it should be so that what smiles do, like it will reduce your like so whatever the pressure is coming on yours, it will decrease and it will show that interview that you are a calm person, you can handle the situation, and like if the question is tough, then also you can handle if you are calm. But if you are not calm and you are just getting nervous, so definitely whatever you know also that time you won't be able to tell. It's very basic questions. So I
Yeah.
guess this helps to build confidence, and yeah, by experience also something comes. But we should be confident whatever we know. And interviews, like if we don't know something, so just say directly no. Sir, I will learn after this, after some session or after this interview. I will definitely go through it through the web or web internet or whatever the structures are available. So this way is the way. Confidence do matter, and these are things which I feel is helps to get a confidence in the person.
Okay, so have a smile and experience also matters, like your previous experience, right? Um,
Yeah, like
you,
with
right?
yeah, like suppose if I'm not able to like clear in first time, definitely I will learn from that failure, like what mistake I committed. So that thing will help me to boost up my confidence in next interview. So yeah, or like apart from that, we can watch mock interviews like in our session, beautiful session. Like we can like listen to the people who the way they are answering. Like there was one quote like life is short to commit so many mistakes. So why should we not learn from others' mistake? So definitely we come on YouTube and we can listen and yeah, we can learn a lot of things.
Yes, first they can watch some videos, and then yeah, they can practice, and then that's how they can have smile on their face, and then yeah, they can win for
Yeah,
interview.
yeah.
Okay. Well, how did you learn, by the way? Like, you're so confident, you cracked interview. How did you learn this language? Like, how did you learn it?
Yeah, as my environment was not like as I mentioned, my like bachelor's was from government colleges. Was like the people don't used to speak a lot of English there, but we need to make our environment by ourselves. Like we have a choice. So I met with some foreign people. I used to discuss some about some projects and all this, and I even joined some groups on Telegram. And there used to, if you want to do something, you will get away. So on Telegram, there were many groups which helped me, but basically, I will say like talking to the native speakers, listening to the podcast. So these all things which like really help me. I used to watch the podcast of Lex Fredman, like who is a very technical guy, and he's one of the best podcaster, Lex Fredman. Even we can give the link of him. So yeah. So these things I did, and that really helped me to boost my English.
Confidence and language skills, right? Well,
Yep.
first you some groups like English speaking group on Telegram, right? And
Yeah,
then
N21.
listening in English, like you started to listen podcast. Okay.
Like why Telegram? Like that time, like the questions were very people used to discuss on these same topics. Like that time, pandemic was going on. Pandemic, this COVID time. Okay, so we used to discuss very normal things, and same question was asked in my interview HR time. Like what good things you have learned from the pandemic means for everything for everyone it was bad, but what you learned. So I just shared my like some answers. Like it was good for the environment, and we were able to meet our family. Like we are living outside, but that COVID time we have to come together and live in the joint family. So that time, yeah, that was very good thing. Like without, so like we have to find a good things and some negative aspects. So they wanted to check, and that was easy question for me. Rest were technical, but this was a good question. So these things do. Yeah.
Okay, so you practice these questions on Telegram, and then same question were asked in your interview, right?
Yeah, like sometimes because there's like general awareness, we can say like how much you are aware with the thing. So yeah, maybe he can ask about your hobbies also. Like then he can ask about some football team. Like if I mention I am a footballer or I love to play football, then he can ask. Then you tell me who is the current captain of India. So like this, some questions, even chess, whatever you mention, the next question is going to come because he don't know who are you. Whatever you mention in your CV or resume, from that only questions will come, and he will verify. If you say that I'm a good reader, so he will say what genre you are going to, what you are reading, which in which category you love, like fictional. So these types, suspense, thriller, which types of books or movies you love to watch. So yeah,
So we have to be aware of it, like what is happening around us, right?
yeah, he
We
will just yep, yep,
have to be careful. Yeah, like in interview, whatever we are mentioning, we have to be careful about it. Otherwise, next question would be like related to your
yep,
previous, isn't it?
yep, yes, it happens. Yeah,
All right. So, okay, as you are from technical background, right? So,
yep.
how we can learn English with the help of AI or ChatGPT?
Okay, this is a great question. Like from last year, ChatGPT is booming in India, so I will say yeah. Like there are even it's we don't no need to spend so much amount. Like there's some application where we have to pay, but I think ChatGPT is doing a lot of good things. Even not ChatGPT, there are different tools. But I have explored ChatGPT more, so I will be telling because I have little bit experience in that. So we can, there are some topics called prompt, means you have to type whatever you type is called prompt. Okay. And there's one topic more called prompt engineering, the one who do in a good way. There are some courses also available on YouTube, but no, like I guess I will say no need to watch that. Just you should know like what, like just how to use ChatGPT is talk to the, suppose you're talking to me. So just type the way you talk to your friend, talk to your job, talk to the ChatGPT. Just the spelling, even if spelling mistakes are also there. He's too much talented. He will get to know what you're trying to say. So let me. I did one practical last year. So I used to write in the WhatsApp language called English, half Hindi, like the way we write in like so hello, kaise, something like these words. Like we don't use like Hindi. We write suppose kaise like KAISE. Okay. So but that what will able to understand whatever you write, he will understand and he will reply in the same way. So that is the quality of that. Even you type in Hindi, also he will understand what you're trying to say. So okay, this is the first thing, and yeah. So talking about live, this ChatGPT 4, the recent version, like I will show with my current like just yeah what is going on. So I have given one prompt. Okay, I will share prompt. I will share in the description also. Like share, Sophie will share with you guys. Like the prompt is says like role I will give chat GPT chat practice partner for Sumit from India. Like Sumit want a chat partner. Okay, like I'm talking to bot. Then I have given my topic after that job interview, very basic question. I have given my style like casual, respectful. Okay. Then steps I have given to that particular person. Initiate a topic with a specific question. Like these things you have to mention. This is the like some paragraph you have to train, and it can be see whatever it, you can give in a laptop also, or you can copy the text and you can directly paste in the phone, which is like the official app of OpenAI, ChatGPT. Then afterward, like she understand what I am trying to say. Then just click on the audio part and just continue the things like I will say. It's loading. Yeah, hello, how are you? And can you take my interview? So
No problem. Take your time. Can you tell me about one of your key strengths and how it has helped you in your previous roles?
okay, so my strength, one of the strength is I'm very curious person. I love to learn everything which is possible for me. So yeah, I'm very curious person.
That's a great strength to have. Can you give an example of a time when your curiosity helped you solve a problem or learn something new in your previous roles?
Yeah, definitely. When I was exploring ChatGPT and other stuff, so I wanted to explore more things. Like even that's not my category. Like I'm not into this stuff, but as I wanted to improve English and all this stuff, so I did some research, and that really helped me to yeah. So this is the thing which shows that I'm very curious person.
That's a great example. It shows you're proactive about learning and improving yourself. Now, can you share a hobby of yours and how it might contribute to your professional skills or work?
Now she's asking hobby. Okay, so my hobbies is to play chess and to play football. So these are my two hobbies. Yeah.
You're welcome. Could you share a hobby of yours and how it might contribute to your professional skills or work environment?
Yeah, so I guess it was audible to you, okay, and it's live example, okay.
Perfect.
And
I listen to it. Yeah, attentively I listen to it. Yeah.
so
I,
yeah, it's no need to spend any money. It's yeah, I guess like after some time they will there's some limitation like after maybe 2020 or maybe messages like because this is ChatGPT 4, they maybe they can ask for money, but I guess 20 minutes is fine. Like daily if you can give, like if you spending like 20 minutes daily, then next day you can again spend. It's not like that limitation. So yeah, like this is you can utilize if you are like suppose if it's really helping you, you are able to make some product or maybe able to qualify your interview, definitely. But if you can pay, then but I will say use like just find out like some uses of it, yeah, because it's free of cost here.
yeah, exactly. We must try. We must give it a try, and definitely we will learn. Well, Shub, can you tell me like how one can see? So many beginners would be watching us, right? Those who don't know it all
Mhm.
about website and all. How one can like download the website, or how can we sign up for these kinds of things? Like, how can we do that?
Okay. Yeah, sorry, I was not aware. So for this, I will share about this process, how I did. Okay, like very basic thing I will share. The one who are like don't know anything, but who want to learn. So basically, you make your account on ChatGPT. Like just open the website called OpenAI and just open the website of ChatGPT. Then just make login with any like Google account, like whatever your Gmail ID is. After logging in, then you will have to write up some queries. Means you can just directly give the prompt which I have shared, or you can create, just talk to him like the way we talk to friends. How are you? So he will tell. If I can't show the practical because I can't share the screen now, but you just write to him like how are you? So he will reply. So like this, you will initiate and you will done. And then download this application in your phone, because you can carry your phone anywhere but you can't carry laptop. So you can just whenever you're traveling, you're sitting and you're waiting for maybe some, so you can open your text and directly talk to the person directly. So these are things. And learn from YouTube, I will say, like whatever is possible, because just try to see the things from YouTube, you can learn more things. Like there's a myth, like the people says, if you're not from technical like CS, so you can't learn. I will say you can learn from wherever you belong, which race or which any, like even it is a CS or not, or like mechanical, civil, arts, humanities, everyone can learn, because YouTube don't say that don't watch my content. It's for publicly available. Anybody can watch. So if it is available for everyone, then I think everyone should watch. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Everybody
Yep.
should try, right? Well, now I don't have any question, or if you have anything. And yes,
Yep.
do you want to say something about our viewers? Like, do you want to say something or
Yep.
suggest?
Yep. So this is the great initiative taken by Sufi, and I like prediction. That's my prediction. I already did with her, like when we were talking. So the prediction is like, yeah, this thing is good, and I guess definitely she will get so many followers and subscribers, because the thing which she is doing is taking a good initiative so that she can help to the people who are even from any background. That's why I mentioned YouTube don't judge from where you belong. Anyone can come, anyone can go through it. So great initiative, and yeah, the way she speaks, and definitely, yeah, she is a pro speaker. Like I am the beginner in front of her, but yeah, so definitely I'm learning all the things, and yeah, it is going great. And if a person can help somebody and make someone's life, suppose while watching this interview, somebody is able to clear his interview. So I guess that's more than she is doing for anyone. Yeah, for free of cost. Yep, that's it.
What could be better than this if they can learn something from our conversation? And I'm sure that definitely they will learn. And you have showed like practically, right? So
Yep.
definitely it's going to happen. First, they have to like go to website, like they have to search, and they can sign up, and then they can try using it,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Perfect.
Anyone, it's very easy for anyone to use, right?
All right.
And if somebody's facing some issue, definitely write in comments. I love to read comments. So Sophie, you can just reach out to her. Just write if you're facing some issues, and if you want more practical way that I can show you. Today I've seen my like from my phone whatever was possible from my side. But if you
Yeah.
guys want, like, should I show the practical, or I just go through the practical? So definitely I will go through the practical and show you all.
Yes, perfect. If anyone wants to say more things like how can we practice with the help of AI and ChatGPT, then you feel free to
Yep.
comment, and to ask me, and then definitely we'll try to reach out and we'll make second part.
Yep. Sure.
So thank you so much, Sumit. Right? Oh God, I was about to say Shub. So thank you so much for coming on
Yep.
my channel and giving insightful talk. So thank you so much.
Yep. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Thanks to you. Bye. Take care.
Yeah. Bye bye.